Why is capacitance important when testing phone components with a multimeter? Imagine trying to fix your phone and not knowing if a tiny part is still working or if it's causing problems. That's where understanding capacitance becomes a game changer. When you use a multimeter to test phone parts, especially capacitors, knowing their capacitance helps you see if they're still doing their job. Capacitors are small components that store electrical energy, filter signals, and help regulate power inside your phone. If one of these fails, your phone might have issues like random shutdowns, slow performance, or screen glitches. Measuring capacitance with a multimeter tells you if a capacitor is still holding the right amount of charge. If the reading is much lower or higher than the capacitor's rated value, it's a sign that the capacitor is damaged or worn out. This quick check can save you from replacing parts that are still good or missing faulty ones. It also helps ensure the circuit works smoothly. Capacitors influence how your phone handles timing, filters noise, and manages power. If their capacitance is off, it can cause unstable voltage or signal problems. When testing, always discharge the capacitor first to avoid electric shock and get accurate readings. Modern digital multimeters have a capacitance mode, usually marked with a small capacitor icon. To test, you disconnect the capacitor from the circuit, discharge it, then connect the multimeter leads to each terminal. The multimeter then shows a value, which you compare to the capacitor's rated value printed on it. If the reading matches or is close, the capacitor is likely fine. If it's way off, it's time to replace it. Using the right repair tools and accessories, like a multimeter with capacitance measurement, makes troubleshooting much easier. It's also helpful to have a repair kit that includes a variety of capacitors so you can swap out faulty ones quickly. Remember, many phone capacitors are polarized, meaning they have a positive and negative side. Connecting the multimeter leads correctly is important to avoid damaging the component and to get an accurate reading. In short, knowing the capacitance of a phone's components helps you diagnose problems faster, avoid unnecessary repairs, and make sure your phone runs smoothly after fixing. Using a multimeter to check capacitance is a simple step that can save you time and money while keeping your device in top shape.